It's a 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche. Versatility is this Chevrolet's forte. In less than a minute, you can go from a tough and capable truck to a sleek and roomy SUV. This rare capability gives it a striking appearance that is sure to turn heads. The alloy wheels don't hurt either. As far as convenience is concerned, you'll find cruise control and keyless entry are always there to make your life easier. Your friends and family will clamor for a seat in this unique vehicle. Come in for a test drive today. At Don Hewlett Chevrolet Buick, we make it easy. We are conveniently located at 7601 South I-35 in Georgetown, Texas.